In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Slides automatically loop if you're setting up a kiosk display, running a booth, or just want your deck to play continuously without interruptions. This quick setup will keep your slides cycling on their own. Start by opening Google Slides in your web browser. Head to slides.google.com and make sure you're signed in so you can access your files. Once you're on the home page, look through your recent presentations and click the one you want to loop. If you don't see it right away, you can always use the search bar at the top to find it by name. With your presentation open, it's time to enter presentation mode. Look to the top right and click Slideshow. This launches your deck in full screen so you can control how it plays. You can start from the beginning to ensure the entire presentation runs exactly as intended. When the slideshow view loads, move your mouse to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small toolbar appear. Click the three dots to open More Options. This menu gives you access to playback controls that aren't visible by default. From that menu, click Autoplay. This opens the Auto Advanced settings. You'll notice options that control how the slideshow progresses, including timing. If you're unsure which timing to use, the default works well for most simple decks. You can adjust it later based on how much time your audience needs to read each slide. Next, enable Loop. Turning on the Loop option tells Google Slides to restart from the first slide automatically once it reaches the end, so your presentation keeps running without any manual input. Finally, click Play. Your slideshow will begin advancing on its own and will loop continuously. If at any point you need to pause or stop the loop, just press the Escape key to exit the slideshow or bring up the bottom left toolbar again to adjust settings. A few quick tips to get the best results. Keep your slides clean and readable since they'll be advancing automatically. Preview the timing to make sure text and graphics aren't moving too quickly. And if your presentation includes animations or videos, be aware that autoplay advances after animations complete, and video playback behavior may depend on how the media was configured in the editor. Test once on the screen you'll actually use to confirm everything looks right from a distance. That's it. Your Google Slides will now loop automatically and keep your content front and center without any extra effort.